Now let's access Power Africa Solar Platinum Square Hola Road Industrial Area from Dunga Road roundabout, and you're going to use Baricho Road instead of Bunyala Road roundabout. As you keep going, you're going to see on your left Shama's Auto. Keep going on Dunga Road, and up ahead you're going to see the petrol station Ola. And right up ahead from Ola, you're going to see the signage showing Baricho Road. Baricho Road, this can also be accessed by anyone coming from Dunga Road, and as we go forward, you're going to be able to also access Carrefour Mega from this road. To get to the office, you're going to keep going forward until you see the signage Hola Road, Hola Road. Once you get there, you're going to take a left turn into Hola Road. As you keep going, you're going to see Choda on your left, but keep on going as we are still not yet at the office. Once you continue going forward, on your left, you're going to see Platinum Square. You're going to get into the building. Once you're let in by the guard, you're going to get into the building and locate us at ground floor, door 10. Keep going forward. You're going to see our signage, PV Tech, Reliable Solar Energy Solutions. Take a right turn, and you're going to see our office door, door 10, ground floor, showing PV Tech. Get in, karibuni sana.